Hello traders, Mike Katz with 7 Points Capital here, bringing you today's market recap. Another day with low volume in the SPYs, but today we closed closer to the all-time highs, and we had some good stocks that were in play, and we'll go over them real quick. But let's have a look at the SPYs real quick, and we can see that the market closed pretty strong after yesterday's doji, sideways, another inside day today, and we're near all-time highs. And it'll be interesting to see now, do we break out and make another move up, or does this go sideways and fizzle out after some sideways action? So right now the market is still looking strong. We had the FOMC minutes come out today, and they basically said inflation is still low. Maybe they're going to be a little bit hesitant raising rates again, which is good for the markets. Keep the Kool-Aid out and keep pumping, keep printing money, and the markets want to see that. So the markets closed strong today, and we see if we get any follow-through moves to the upside. A couple of other stocks that we were trading in today were Mankind. That was a stock that's been on fire, going from $2 to $7 in a matter of a few days, and it's been on our radar for a while. And today we came in knowing that they had a secondary offering and that they offered, I believe it was $60 million worth of stock at about $6. And you'll see a lot of these companies do that after they have a big push up. They'll have an ATM, they'll do a secondary offering, and they'll sell some stock to the public. And that usually will have some pressure on the stock, right? So today we had a nice down day in MNKD, giving us some short setups, which we'll look at real quick. So we opened the gate today and we went down from 625 all the way to 575, a 50-cent drop for a $6 stock, which is pretty big range. Bounced back, made a lower high versus there, and started forming a lower descending triangle, right? So with a base of 575 and declining highs from 625, 620, and then much lower high of $6, told us that this thing was weak. The pressure was building up. The sellers had to constantly step down their offers in order to get fills. And then if we zoom in a little bit more here, we can see that before it took a big drop, that there was another descending triangle here where the base was about 585, having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottoms here. And every time it went up for less, having a descending trend line, forming a descending triangle. And then when it did break down, made another lower high, and that gave some really nice entries. So basically we had the short here. I was short right here in this area with a stop above here at 601, and these moves to the upside, a lot of effort, a lot of volume, but didn't really result in some action to the upside. And then every time it went up, it made a lower high, and that gave for a nice setup on the short side. And it broke this range, broke 75, came down, retested, failed to get back above, and then you had the big drop on heavy volume, and you had to be quick. But I think I was able to cover down here 514, 515, 520, and then I was pretty much done with the trade. So this is one that was good to us. These high flying stocks, when we're surgical, when we wait for our setups, they give us good risk reward setups, and then the following our discipline and waiting for our entries, and especially waiting for our exits to let the trades work out. So Mankind was good. And then another one that was good was Walmart. Big cap. A couple of days ago they announced that they're going to do a stock buyback. Market liked it, sitting at highs. Big strong candle yesterday, closed near the highs. And then today we had a day two where the market opened up and this thing just started drifting all day. A little choppy in the morning where it gave a setup and had a big red bar to stop some people out, but eventually it got back above and started making higher high, higher low, and stayed above VWAP all day long. So spiders sideways, kind of waiting for some action in the market, but every day there's stocks that are in play. There's something to do, and today was no exception. We had a couple of really good stocks that we were able to trade, and now we just sit back and wait for tomorrow. Earnings kick off tomorrow. Everybody's excited and looking forward to some stocks. We have the banks kicking them off, and the next couple of weeks hopefully will be some good action that we can capitalize on. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, and any comments will be appreciated.